Welcome back again, everyone. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon also. So I'll give you this kind of videos regularly, and I'm doing Wondershare Filmora series. So if you want to use if you want to learn more about Wondershare Filmora, you can check my playlist from my YouTube channel. And today I'll teaching you how can you use transition in your video. It's very simple and easy to use, and if you use the transition it will make more beautiful your video. Okay, so especially people are using transition only to make photo slideshow, but you can use this kind of transitions in your video also and it will make more professional. So how can you use your transition in Wondershare Filmora? It's very easy. So first of all, you have to bring your video uh, in your video timeline. So you can see I have already two video, and one is this one, first one is this one, and second one is this one. Okay, so if you want to use transition in this area, so how can you use? Just click in transition. There is lots of transition available, and I'm choosing one of my favorite transition. Just wait for a moment. Yeah, this one is my favorite, so I'm putting this one here. You can use transition in two way. One is like this and another is like this. You can choose both videos, but if you can, and you can use like this, but I'm choosing this one. I prefer to use like this. See, it's amazing effect, right? See, the video is changing. And another one of the popular transition is fade. Hoping you also like it. You can use this one, fade. See, it's working, right? You can use fade grayscale. Yeah, you can use like this. So transition will help you to make more beautiful videos and more professional videos. You can also use lots transition from Wondershare Filmora, and here is a library of transition you can also use. Hoping you like this video and you learn something, and please follow my Wondershare Filmora series, and just check my playlist, and I will post more videos about Wondershare Filmora. Hoping you will like my video. If you have any kind of confusion about transition, you can give me a comment in the comment sections. Thank you so much. Goodbye.